how to use image capture. Image capture is an app that comes with every Mac, and you can use it to import photos from phones or camera cards, and I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, you go to your Launchpad and you open image capture. There we are. And you can see my phone's already plugged in, but I need to unlock it. So, and then when I click on it, it will show me all the photos and movies that I've got in my camera roll. Now, what I can do is simply select individual ones or Command A to select them all, and then I can import them. Now, the question is, where do you import them to? So you can go here and you can choose a folder, and you can also create a new folder. So I could say pictures. I'm in the process of gathering my photos to create a hub, so I create a new folder in that one, a subfolder called From Phone Child 1, and I create that folder and I choose it there, and you see how that's changed. So whatever I select here, and I'm not going to select all of them, just 2 of them, and I say I want to keep originals. I don't want to delete them off the phone. I want to keep them, and I import them. That's already done. And when I look in my Finder now, pictures, gathered mess, from Phone Child 1, I've got these 2 pictures here. And the good thing is it actually transfers your photos in original size, even if you have iCloud Photo Library turned on your phone and you are only storing optimized files on your phone. It will still grab the original. So this is a good thing. This is different to what iMazing does. iMazing can't do that, but the image capture can do that. So you will get the original file. And so you can move it to anywhere on your device. Now I will also plug in my camera card, and you will see that this will come up as another device. Here we go. And it gives me all these photos, so that's quite a few here. And I will import a few. I've got these 4 photos. And you see that they're all very similar, but I want to input them into a different folder. Create another new one from Sony camera, and I will import them. Again, you get the choice here. I don't want to delete them after import. I keep them, so I import them. And again, you go and look here from Sony camera. I've got my 4 photos here. And from there, I can process them further.